Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to challenge it. Carrot. Just because I want to save the twisted stick, I fill it with tissue paper inside. Then stick a circle of twisted stick outside the tissue paper. It doesn't matter if it's ugly. Anyway, I can't see it in the bag at the end. If the twisted stick is not long enough, I'll stick a stick on it and continue to stick it. In the end, it becomes this narrow and wide shape. Use your hands to make a nest above. It's convenient to put leaves behind. It's going to start circling again. At the beginning, use hot melt glue to fix the twisted stick. If it's not obedient, just glue it directly. When circling, you must pay attention to arrange the twisted stick neatly. I put less tissue paper inside. This fat carrot has been circling for a long time. Finally tidy up a little bit. Let the carrot be rounder. Now the leaves. Fold it up and fill it up. Tighten it again. Do the same operation. Use hot melt glue to stick it on. Draw a blush on the face. Isn't it looking cute?